Welcome to Organizing Bliss. Did you know the average person spends 2.5 days per year looking for lost items? Imagine what you could do with that extra time if everything had its place. In this video, we'll share 24 inspiring organizing hacks to transform your home. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a home that brings peace and joy. Get ready to explore practical and innovative organizing solutions for every nook and cranny. Together, we'll create a space where everything has its place and you have more time for what matters. Chapter 1. Drawer Dividers, Taming the Chaos. Ah, drawers. Those deceptively simple compartments often become black holes of forgotten treasures. But fear not, for drawer dividers are here to bring order. Imagine opening your drawers to find neatly compartmentalized rows of socks, underwear, and t-shirts. From adjustable dividers to elegant bamboo organizers, the options are diverse. Chapter 2. The Magic of Labeling. Sometimes we forget what treasures lie hidden in our storage containers. This is where labeling works its magic. No more mystery boxes or guessing games. Design labels that spark joy, calligraphy, playful fonts, or color-coded systems. Chapter 3. Vertical Storage. Reaching New Heights. When floor space is limited, look up. Vertical storage solutions maximize space. Imagine sleek, wall-mounted shelves displaying your favorite items. Shelving units, floating shelves, and hanging organizers. Endless possibilities. Chapter 4. Underbed Storage, Hidden Treasures. Don't let the space under your bed become a dust-collecting no man's land. Transform it into a haven for seasonal items, extra linens, or sentimental treasures. Imagine sliding out a storage container filled with cozy winter blankets as autumn's chill fills the air. Choose storage solutions that spark joy, from fabric containers to rolling drawers. Chapter 5. Over-the-door organizers, space-saving superheroes. Doors are often overlooked for storage, but they offer untapped potential. Over-the-door organizers are space-saving superheroes, transforming unused surfaces into organizational powerhouses. From shoe organizers to multi-pocket storage, the options are diverse for your needs. Chapter 6. Pegboards, your DIY organizing canvas. Pegboards are the blank canvases of the organizing world, allowing you to customize your storage. Imagine your tools hanging neatly, your craft supplies displayed like art. Experiment with hooks, shelves, and containers to design a pegboard that sparks joy. Chapter 7. Lazy Susans, Spinning into Organization. Lazy Susans are the superheroes of corner cabinets, transforming inaccessible spaces into accessible havens of organization. Effortlessly spin your Lazy Susan to access spices, condiments, or baking supplies. Choose Lazy Susans that fit your cabinets and spark joy, from bamboo to plastic options. Chapter 8. Clear Storage Bins, a window to organization. Clear storage bins are the superheroes of visibility, letting you see contents without labels. Effortlessly locate holiday decorations, seasonal clothing, or keepsakes. Choose bins that spark joy and fit your needs, from stackable to underbed solutions. Chapter 9. Shoe Racks, Stepping Up Your Shoe Game. Shoes, glorious shoes. They complete our outfits, express our style, and spark joy. But let's be honest, they can also become clutter if not organized. From multi-tiered racks to over-the-door organizers, the options are as diverse as your collection itself. Chapter 10. Hanging Baskets, Elevating Storage and Style. Hanging baskets are the chameleons of the organizing world, transitioning from storage solutions to stylish accents. Imagine wicker baskets hanging from your kitchen ceiling, storing produce or displaying potted herbs. Choose baskets that spark joy and complement your decor. Chapter 11. Magnetic Strips, The Power of Attraction for Small Items. Small items like bobby pins, paper clips, and tweezers often disappear into thin air. But magnetic strips harness the power of attraction to keep those tiny treasures in check. From bathroom essentials to crafting supplies, magnetic strips offer a simple, effective solution for organizing small items. Chapter 12. Foldable Storage Boxes, Adaptable and Efficient. Foldable storage boxes are the superheroes of adaptability, transforming from spacious containers to compact, space-saving wonders. Imagine your seasonal clothing, extra linens, or keepsakes stored in sturdy boxes when not in use. Choose foldable storage boxes that spark joy and fit your storage needs. Rolling carts are the ultimate symbol of mobility and versatility in the organizing world, gliding from room to room as your needs dictate. Imagine a sleek rolling cart serving as a mobile bar cart one day, then transforming into a handy craft supply station the next. Or envision a tiered rolling cart storing bathroom essentials, keeping your toiletries organized and accessible. Embrace their adaptability and watch as they redefine organized living. Walls often become overlooked canvases for storage solutions, but wall-mounted shelves offer a world of potential for maximizing vertical space. Imagine sleek floating shelves displaying your favorite books, plants, or decorative items, adding personality and charm to your walls. Or envision sturdy wall-mounted shelves in your garage, storing tools, gardening supplies, or sports equipment. Embrace the vertical and watch as wall-mounted shelves transform your walls into functional and stylish focal points. Closets often become black holes of clothing chaos, but fear not, for closet organizers are here to restore order and transform your wardrobe into a thing of beauty. Imagine opening your closet to reveal neatly stacked sweaters, rows of perfectly hung shirts, and spaces for shoes, accessories, and handbags. No more frantic rummaging or avalanche of garments, just a serene and organized oasis of style. Choose closet organizers that fit your storage needs. Desk organizers, creating a productive workspace. A cluttered desk can lead to a cluttered mind. Desk organizers restore order and create a workspace that inspires productivity. Imagine a desk where pens and pencils stand at attention in stylish holders, important documents neatly filed in trays. Choose desk organizers that spark joy and foster focus and efficiency. In today's tech-filled world, cables can quickly become a tangled mess, but fear not, cable management solutions can restore order and keep your cords under control. Imagine your charging cables neatly coiled and labeled, and power strips hidden in stylish boxes. From cable clips and ties to underdesk organizers and wall-mounted power strip covers, the options are diverse as your tech needs. Choose solutions that spark joy and create a more organized, aesthetically pleasing tech environment. Pantry organizers, creating a culinary haven. The pantry is the heart of the kitchen but can quickly become chaotic if not organized. Pantry organizers transform your pantry into a culinary haven with easy access to ingredients. From tiered shelving units and lazy Susans to clear storage bins, options are diverse as your culinary aspirations. Bathroom caddies, streamlining your routine. The bathroom is our sanctuary for self-care, but it can quickly become cluttered with essentials. Bathroom caddies streamline your routine, transforming your bathroom into a spa-like oasis. Choose caddies that spark joy and make self-care a luxurious, stress-free experience. Jewelry organizers, showcasing your treasures. Jewelry holds sentimental value and personal style, deserving a special place to be organized and admired. Transform your collection from a tangled mess into a beautifully displayed treasure trove. Choose a jewelry organizer that sparks joy and showcases your treasured pieces. Toy storage solutions, taming the playroom chaos. Toys bring joy to children and adults alike, but they can quickly take over a space if not organized. Toy storage solutions tame the playroom chaos and create a space where imagination can flourish without sacrificing order. Choose toy storage solutions that spark joy and keep playtime organized. Craft supply organizers, unleashing your creativity. For craft enthusiasts, having a dedicated space with organized supplies is essential for creativity. Craft supply organizers transform your craft room into a haven of inspiration and efficiency. Choose organizers that spark joy and create a space where inspiration flows freely. Garage storage systems, maximizing functionality. The garage often becomes a catch-all for tools, gardening equipment, and household overflow. Storage systems maximize functionality, transforming clutter into an organized, efficient space. Choose systems that spark joy and create a space where everything has its place. DIY Pegboard wall, your creative organizing masterpiece. Remember those pegboards we talked about earlier? Get ready to take your pegboard game to the next level. Imagine an entire wall transformed into a customizable storage solution, with pegboards painted in your favorite colors, adorned with stylish hooks, shelves, and containers. Create a storage solution that is practical and visually stunning. Embrace the joy of organization. As we've explored these 24 inspiring organizing life hacks, I hope you've discovered the power of tidying and organizing. Remember, a tidy home is not about perfection, but about creating a space that sparks joy and lets you focus on what matters. Let's create homes that spark joy and inspire us to live our best lives.